Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Syarif. For this assignment, I got two instructions, which is to calculate how many bottles can be bought for 150 ringgit, and second is to calculate the price for 70 bottles. All the amount and bottles must be input from the keyboard. First step, I will create the Java class. So according to the instruction, the main method must be named as MineralWater. So here I will put MineralWater. MineralWater public static void. After this, next I will import Java scanner and Java decimal format. Java scanner input new scanner. Scanner system in. Next, decimal format. New df two decimal places. Scanner decimal format. So system print money and next I will input all the lists. Next I will list all the input that will be used for the calculation. So here all the input for the input that I will use for the calculation. Here integer set input declaration for money input. Here declaration how many set for 24 bottles can bought with money input. Next integer is how many set for 10 bottles can be bought with money input. Next set 3 is how many bottles can be bought with money input. Next double total money 1. This for calculation of the remaining price for 24 bottles. Total money 2 calculation of the remaining price for 10 bottles. Next total money 3 to calculation of the remaining price for bottles below 10. Double TP. TP means total price. Total price. Total price for all set 1, set 2 and set 3. Next double balance. Set the money input minus total price. Next I will input all the calculation for instruction 1. Instruction 1. So So here all the calculation for instruction 1. First I'll do this statement to show if all set greater than 0. That means set 1 greater than 0 and set 2 greater than 0 and set 3 greater than 0. And this is the calculation program. Next I will do the statement to show as if set 1 equal to 0 and the rest set greater than 0. That means as if set 1 equal to 0, set 2 greater than 0, and set 3 greater than 0. This is the calculation. Next, this statement to show as if set 2 equal to 0 and all the set 1 and set 3 is greater than 0. Next, I will do the as if set 3 equal to 0, set 1 and set 2 is greater than 0. Next, I will do as if set 1 greater than 0 and set 2 and set 3 is equal to 0. Next statement is as if set 2 greater than 0 and set 1 and set 3 equal to 0. Next statement is to show as if set 3 greater than 0, set 1 and set 2 is equal to 0. Next, so total money total M plus df dot f double juga GP minus M GF dot F double number balance balance G I will do the second instruction, which is to calculate the price of 70 bottles. Okay, the price of 70 bottles. Calculation of price for 70 bottles. Next, I will import the new scanner. Quantity bottles, and this all the input that we'll use in the calculation. So the first integer amount 0, amount 0 declaration for input of bottle, amount 1 declaration of the calculation the quantity of bottle for 12 ringgit, amount 2 declaration the quantity of bottle for X ringgit, amount 3 is calculation the quantity of bottle for normal price. And next, I will show the calculation of price for 70 bottles. So the calculation. So this all the calculation to find the price for 70 bottles. The first statement is to find the quantity for 24 bottles with price 12 ringgit. So amount 0 greater than and equal to 24. The second statement is to find the quantity for 10 bottles with price at ringgit. I will use else if amount 2 greater than and equal to 1. The second statement is to find the quantity for remaining bottles. I will use else if amount 3 greater than 1. And double total price. Plus about 1 time 12 plus amount 2 time 8 plus amount 3. So system number green. Total at M after F plus F table format total price 70. Okay, done for the instruction 2. So I will run this program. So the first instruction is money input 115. How many bottles will I can get? So 288 plus 6 equal to 294. So for 150 ringgit I will can bought 294 bottles. So the second instruction is 70 bottles. How many price I will get? So for 70 bottles, the price for 70 bottles is 42. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you, sir.